skincare products I've mentioned in this video is actually going to help tackle, replenish, clear out your sunburn. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, Judith is the name. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking around. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please tap the subscribe button down below to get subscribed to my channel for more skincare tips. And do not forget to like this video if you end up enjoying it. So today's video is a requested video. Someone requested I make a video on best face cream for sunburn. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the 5 best skincare products for sunburn. So if you're looking for a face cream or skincare product that will get rid of your sunburn, then you want to keep on watching, because I'm going to be showing you the best face cream skincare product that is going to clear out your sunburn and give you that healthy glowing skin. So sunburn is one skin condition that can happen to any and everybody. Like, it doesn't respect gender, whether you're a woman or man. Like, it can happen to anybody. On days you tend to expose yourself excessively to the sun without using sun protection, or you're being inconsistent with your sunscreen, like you will just observe some sort of redness and slight pain on your skin. And next, you will just see a dark discoloration or tan on your skin, and it tends to look worse when you have a light skin. So if you have sunburn on your skin and you want to clear it out, you need to be very careful when picking a face cream or lotion or any skincare product to tackle your sunburn, because a lot of creams and lotions promises to clear sunburn, but when you buy it and use it, like, is either your sunburn becomes worse or it will end up doing nothing at all for you. So you want to be very careful when buying or picking a skincare product to clear your sunburn. So if you want to buy a face cream, lotion, or any skincare product that will help to clear your sunburn, you need to look out for the following ingredients. Number 1 includes your azelaic acid, glycolic acid, vitamin C, retinoid, kojic acid, and aloe vera. So if you buy any face cream, lotion, or moisturizer that contains any of the skincare ingredients, it's actually going to help improve and clear out your sunburn. Like, when treating your sunburn, you need to avoid using a lightening cream to treat your sunburn, because it might end up clearing your sunburn. But one disadvantage of using it to clear sunburn is that your sunburn might reoccur. Like, when you use a lightening cream to treat your sunburn, it will end up bringing back your sunburn. So if you're someone that have already used the lightening cream to clear sunburn before, then I believe you should know this. So with that said, I'll be going ahead to show you guys my 5 best skincare products for sunburn. Like, all the products I'm going to be mentioning in this video will help to clear out your sunburn. So the number 1 best skincare product for sunburn on my list is the Eucerin Advanced Repair Cream. This is actually one of the best creams to use if you want to get rid of sunburn on your skin. Like, it's a very nice hydrating cream, and it contains ceramides and fatty acids that is going to help moisturize your skin, nourish your skin, and prevent water loss from the skin in order to replenish your skin's moisture barrier. This Eucerin cream is actually very effective when it comes to repairing your skin and clearing out your sunburn. Like, it's going to help repair your skin, replenish your skin, and clear out any form of sunburn on your skin. So if you have facial sunburn, you can actually apply this to your face to get rid of your sunburn, because it's a lightweight cream and it's non-comedogenic, so it's not going to cause you any form of irritations or reactions on the skin. It is a very nice cream that can be used on both your face and on your body. Like, it's very suitable for all skin types and complexion, especially for those with sensitive skin and dry skin. Like, this is very moisturizing and is going to help get rid of your dry skin. This particular Eucerin cream is going to clear out your sunburn, so all you have to do is to apply this to your face and any other part of your body that you have sunburn. Like, it's going to help replenish your skin and clear out your sunburn in no time. It's sold at the price of 11,000 naira, depending on where you're getting it from. So moving on, second best skincare product for sunburn on my list is E45 cream. I believe a lot of us know about E45 cream for sunburn. Like, this E45 cream is a really nice cream that have been dermatologically approved, and it has been proven to treat a wide range of skincare conditions like sunburn, itchy skin, flaky skin. This particular E45 cream is a very nice cream for clearing out sunburn. It's a very nice cream to use if you want to clear out your sunburn. Like, it's non-greasy on the skin and it absorbs in very fast into the skin. Like, this particular E45 cream, when applied to your sunburn, it relieves your skin and adds in some sort of moisture into your sunburn skin. Like, it's going to help soften and smoothen out your sunburn. Whenever you apply this E45 cream to your sunburn, it's going to help reduce dryness on that area of your skin. So this E45 cream is going to soothe, relieve, and get rid of your sunburn. It can be applied both on the face and the body. Like, any area of your body you have sunburn, you can basically use this E45 cream to treat and clear out your sunburn. And one good thing about this particular E45 cream is the fact that it's affordable. It's sold at the price of 4,500 naira, depending on where you're getting it from. So the third best skincare product for sunburn on my list is aloe vera gel. Using aloe vera gel is one of the best, cheapest, and effective way to get rid of your sunburn. Like, aloe vera gel is one of the most common ways to treat your sunburn. Like, what this aloe vera gel does is to give your skin that cooling effect, relieve your sunburn pain, and moisturize your skin. Like, this particular aloe vera gel is going to help stimulate production of collagen on the skin in order to speed up the healing process of your sunburn. Like, if you apply this aloe vera gel to your skin, it's going to help soothe and relieve your sunburn. So if you're battling with sunburn, I believe you know that sunburn skin loses moisture more than ever. Like, whenever you apply a lotion or cream to your sunburn area, like under 5 minutes, you just notice that that part of your skin is already looking dry. Like, there is no moisture on that sunburn area. So this aloe vera gel is going to help moisturize and retain moisture on that area of your skin. So if you want to use an aloe vera gel for your sunburn, all you have to do is to get the fresh plant and take out the gel from it and apply it directly on your sunburn area. That way, it's going to help relieve and quicken the healing process of your sunburn. So if you cannot get the fresh plant aloe vera gel, you can opt in for this already made aloe vera gel. Like, it comes in this bottle. Like, it's 99% aloe vera gel. It's also going to help relieve your sunburn and get rid of your sunburn. Like, aloe vera gel is a natural humectant, so it's going to help moisturize and lock in moisture into your skin. So if you cannot get any of this aloe vera gel, you can simply look for a lotion or moisturizer that contains aloe vera. Like, it's also going to help heal your sunburn. And some of the lotions that I love that contains aloe vera is the Vaseline Aloe Soothing Body Lotion, and also the Cetaphil body lotion that contains aloe vera. Like, when you apply any of those aloe vera lotions to your skin morning and night, like within 3 to 4 weeks of consistent use, you're going to see a visible difference on your sunburn. It's going to help clear out your sunburn. So moving on, the fourth best skincare product for sunburn on my list is vitamin C serum. So using vitamin C serum on your sunburn skin is one secret a lot of people don't know about, especially when you combine your vitamin C with vitamin E. You will never experience recurring sunburn. So as you all know, vitamin C is an antioxidant, so it's going to help soothe your facial sunburn, minimize the redness or tan on your skin, and make your skin heal faster. Is a very powerful face serum that will clear your sunburn and at the same time eliminate dark spots and any form of aging signs on your skin. So it's a very potent serum that you can use to clear out your sunburn. Like, it's going to clear out your sunburn and give you that even uniform complexion. It serves as a sun protectant and equally have brightening effects to it. So this vitamin C serum is going to work together with your sunscreen to give you enough protection from the sun. Some of the best vitamin C serums that I love and I'll be recommending for sunburn is Skinceuticals Vitamin C Serum. This particular vitamin C serum, it contains both vitamin C and E and also ferulic acid. So it's a perfect combination that is going to help heal and clear out your sunburn very fast. Like, if you use this particular Skinceuticals Vitamin C Serum on your sunburn, it's going to clear out your sunburn within 2 weeks to 3 weeks of consistent use. Like, it's a very nice vitamin C serum to use if you have sunburn on your skin. And another vitamin C serum that I love and I recommend for sunburn is Pixi Vitamin C Serum. Like, this is also a nice vitamin C serum to use for your sunburn because it's going to help clear out your sunburn and give you that uniform glowing complexion. So if you cannot afford to get any of those, you can get the Roushun Vitamin C Serum, or you check out my previous video on 5 best vitamin C serum for glowing skin. Like, I'm going to link the video up here and also in the description box so that you can check that out. So any of this is going to help clear and get rid of your sunburn. All you have to do is to use it both morning and night, and you're going to see a visible result on your skin. So the 5th best skincare product for sunburn on my list is Bismid face cream. Bismid face cream is one of the best face cream to use if you actually want to get rid of your sunburn and not have them coming back. This particular Bismid face cream is going to clear out your sunburn and give you that healthy glowing skin. It's a treatment moisturizer and is formulated to clear out dark spots and sunburn on the face. Like, this particular face cream is going to give you that lighter, soft, even smooth glowing skin. Like, it's going to clear out your sunburn and make your face appear more radiant. Like, one thing I love about this particular Bismid face cream is the fact that it contains both antioxidants and kojic acid, and the combination of those ingredients is going to help moisturize your skin and tackle any form of blemishes and sunburn on your skin. Like, this particular face cream is going to clear out your sunburn very fast. It's a lightweight cream, so it's not going to give off that sticky or greasy feel after applying it to your skin. It's a really nice face cream to use if you're battling with sunburn, dark spots, or any blemish on your skin. Like, this particular face cream is going to give you that even glowing skin. It doesn't contain any form of hydroquinone in it. It's very suitable for all skin types and those with a fair or caramel skin tone. Like, this particular Bismid face cream is going to help give you that even uniform glowing complexion. So all the skincare products I've mentioned in this video is actually going to help tackle, replenish, clear out your sunburn. All you have to do is to use them properly, and when using any of the skincare products, you want to pair them with a good sunscreen. I have a video on some of the best sunscreens you can use, so I'm going to link the video up here and also in the description box so that you can check that out. So if you're using any of those creams, lotions, or serums that I just mentioned to clear out your sunburn, all you have to do is to apply them in the morning and at night. When using them in the morning, you want to pair them with a good sunscreen, and at night you want to apply it after you have washed or cleansed your skin. So that is basically it on the best skincare products for sunburn giveaway. So we hit 10,000 subscribers on the channel some days back. Drum roll please. So yeah, I'm super grateful for all the love and support you guys have shown me so far, both old and new subscribers here. and I want to use that opportunity. I'm going to be having a giveaway, just my mini way of saying thank you and appreciating each and every one of you that have been on this journey with me, and the new subscribers here. So the details of the giveaway is going to be in my next video because I'm still trying to figure out how to handle the giveaway. So you want to subscribe and turn on your post notifications if you're interested. So yeah, that is basically it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.